Hello everyone, so right now I'm currently sitting inside of a 2020 Honda CR-V touring model. We're going to play with the navigation. We're going to show you how to set, save your home, and how to delete your home, how to edit your home within the satellite navigation. Now as you're watching this, please keep in mind that the satellite navigation is only available in selected models and trims, okay? And then also, if you found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe button. Now obviously we're at the home menu here. Just hit home just to show you to confirm that. Boom, home menu. We have navigation. We're going to select that. It's going to take you over here, or it'll take you to your map. Sometimes you get this screen too as well. Hit the little button off to the side. Hit where to. Go home. So once again, this is our first time typing in our home address. I'm going to use the dealership's address, just obviously for safety. Home from home. So the city name, Cedar Rapids, comes right up. Here we are, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Select that. House number, 4835. Street name, we're here located on Edgewood Road next to Fleet Farm. All right, that's us. So I got a couple different addresses that pop up. I'm going to confirm which one's us. 4835 Edgewood Road, Northeast, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. That's it. Select it. Select. And there we go. It's going to take me home now. So every time I go to my navigation, hit go home, or use voice command as navigation, take me home, it takes me home. Now, we can also cancel this. Let me show you how to edit. So you got some saved options over here. Just hit saved. We're going to select this button right here. This whole screen comes up. Hit this little tab, and you can edit. I can change whatever I need from that point, or change the name. I can also delete it. So let's say I end up selling the car for any particular reason, because I want to upgrade, or if just because I moved, I want to retype it in. There it is. So now as I hit go home, as you see, it takes me back to the first step again. All right, well, thank you again for guys for watching. If this was helpful, you guys know the routine to show your support. This is Crazy Honda Chris, putting dreams in driveways. Bye-bye.